So you're doing all these marketing efforts, you're writing great content, you're doing all your advertising, you're getting a lot of people to your website that are starting to think and wondering, hey, maybe I have sleep apnea and I need to start looking into this, which is great. That's what we're here to do. We're here to expand the patient pool, get more people into treatment, get them tested, and move them forward into solving their problem. Problem with this is, again, they're probably really reluctant to go start forward with the process, and they certainly do not want to talk to a person or get any sort of sales pitch. That's why they're asking Dr. Google and not Dr. You. But we gotta move these patients forward. So here are the 2 things you should have on your site that'll help move them forward and agree to take a phone call from you. The first one is a sleep apnea screener. Now, we've all heard of the Epworth Sleepiness Scale or Stop Bangs. It has basic information about do they snore, what their height and weight is, BMI, neck size. All of these things are designed to kind of give us some idea of, hey, maybe they might be a candidate to get tested for sleep apnea. You should have one of these on your site. And most importantly, it should be a form, the results of which get emailed to your team. Too often we are still seeing these on people's websites as a PDF. No one is filling out your PDF. No one is clicking that button, downloading that PDF onto their phone, filling it out on their phone, uploading it, and emailing it to your staff. It's not happening. You've never gotten one of these. Make it a form. It will drastically increase the number of people that actually use it and the amount of patient data you actually get. But your form shouldn't stop there. Each one of your forms should also include at the bottom what we call a Callback Appointment Widget. It should allow the patient to specify a time and day at which they will be available to take a phone call from your staff. It should only be about 15-20 minutes max. When we first implemented this, it actually decreased the number of leads that we got, but it drastically increased the number of patients that actually moved forward. The reason is that we basically eliminated all of the tire kickers, or the people that weren't really serious about talking to a person and moving forward with treatment. Those were all just people that wanted to fill out a form just to see if they could get a free analysis. We wanted to send our clients only patients that were serious about having a conversation about making their health better. And so adding this form actually not only increased the conversion rates, but it saved your staff a lot of time in making phone calls and dealing with patients that weren't really serious. So adding these 2 elements to your site is not only gonna help you get more leads, but increase the conversion rate on those leads, save your staff time from making a lot of follow-up phone calls and dealing with patients that aren't serious. Let's get into what happens after they fill out that form.